Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, balik lagi sama gua Bima Arya GMG. Oke guys, kali ini aku mau membuat video partikel warna hitam yang viral di Instagram. Contohnya seperti ini.
Ladies and gentlemen, performance by Menjadi Remix.
Tapi sebelum memulai tutorialnya, kalian boleh pencet tombol subscribe, like, dan komen. Maaf kalau saat tutorialnya aku nggak pakai suara aku sendiri, karena aku lagi nggak enak badan. Oke, langsung mulai ke tutorialnya.
Yeah, this a genius, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Ratchet, nigga, we act cool, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the bowl, I said okay, Sarah Palin. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in, a nigga gon' be faded all the way to the AM. Yeah. Way down, whoa. Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheap like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm free every night like I run with the eyes. I super soak that hoe, show 'em no love, just throw 'em a towel. Still rocking Louboutin condoms, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now I knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit, I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick, be smoking my dick, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And this the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, joking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000 spent it like it's nothing. Money flowing, never sober, smoking till I got concussions. No discussions, man. I got a condo and got a big crib. Down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting it, then I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. Fucking little bitch.
Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga never front. Cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Shawnee Wiz, got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping. Got this bitch jumping. This Virginia, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Ratchet, nigga, we act cool, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the pole, I said, okay, Sarah Palin. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in, a nigga gon' be faded all the way to the end, yeah. Way down, whoa, shit. Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going broke, bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God, oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheek like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm free every night like I run with the eyes. I super soak that hoe, show 'em the love, just throw 'em a towel. Still rockin' Louboutin condoms, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit, I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick, be smoking my dick, boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And this the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going broke, bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spent it like it's nothing, money flowing. Never sober, smoking till I got concussions. No discussions, man. I got a condo and got a big crib. Down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting it, then I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. Fucking little bitch.
Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose. Working all night, swear I'm never going broke, bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga never front. Cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Shining Wiz, got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping. Got this bitch jumping. Fly. That's me.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, oh. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, oh. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again.
Ladies and gentlemen, performance by Menjadi. Remix. Ladies and gentlemen, performance by Menjadi. Remix.
This legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess.
Ladies and gentlemen, performance by Menjadi.